Which town?
Yeah, just like in California where they got everything.
There were people caught. There was some in these cases. There were some people caught setting them.
Yeah, that's the whole thing too.
And it could be natural too, you know, with the fire stuff.
Today only you alone. Your friend?
Oh yeah. Yeah, she's busy.
Busy.
She told me she will put colors in on her lips. I don't know what it is.
But okay. Good thing about hiking in Saskatchewan. But it's far. It's like
pretty much walk to the U.S. and the North Pole and not really hit any bumps, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
I can go to the coast.
I tried it before.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Take good rest.
First time. I want to say. Yeah. You get the pick of the litter. Whatever one you think is the best. Take two, take three, take five. Yeah.
Can we just take one instead?
Okay, that's good too.
you have to ask Mom about that.
Yeah.
Come up to the, but definitely come up to the table sometime. See the situation, man.
Can I bring the little puppy inside?
All right. Yeah, it's a tough stuff there.
Yeah, the stick will be helpful.
Take it and go.
But can we get another puppy?
Well, ask Mom. I don't know.
Whoa.
We have to take it somewhere.
Take it somewhere to where?
Well, when we go back to England.
Oh, slowly. You should use your stick.
Come up to the temple. See,
Yeah, but like, I mean, is we gonna?
Oh, yeah.
hello.
We're gonna want to
Thank
take
you
care
for
of
joining
people.
again.
Remember.
Welcome to the hike.
Yeah.
Hey, move along,
I'm glad you guys
McDuff.
came again. I'm glad when people like show
Move
up.
along, McDuff.
We like
Move
to have
along,
like
McDuff.
repeat people because once you start getting busy, it's everyone knows each other and there's dogs.
Yeah.
They're just a happy family, you know.
We're going to the bar next week, but we'll be back.
Oh, okay, okay.
Not next week.
Có anh thứ hai ý à? Rong เท้านี้เป็นฉลาด Oh, this will wait. This will wait. It's no good. Có cà ma. Wanting to get somewhere.
Once it started getting hotter, you know, now it's starting getting hot again. All right, everyone cool?
I tried that hike, but
K's
it was like leave in the morning.
Yeah, if you want to work, if you want to
tried
push
that.
yourself a little bit, go that way. Just keep going and take it.
Hey, Dad.
In Bangkok, you can't drive 60. You get home.
Next time, record.